School Cash Online. Remember this website, the link will be there in the description. This website, if your child is in school, you will be able to pay for school items online through this website. And this you can do online, as it says. Your child will not have to carry any cash or check to and from school. So any school expenses, you will be able to see the expense and payment history at one place. Once you click on register, you will enter your first name, last name. You can give the exact name how as a parent you have given at the time of school admission. Then your email address, you create your password, confirm, and then you select the security question from here, enter the security answer, and then you select whether you want to receive email notification or not. And you can select the language. Once this is done, you go and continue. You will get link to your email, and once you complete, you will get registration complete. Thanks for confirming your email address. Click here to sign in. So once you sign in using your email address and the password, and you click sign in, here in the add student section, you will come and type the school board. I'm typing Peel here, and once I type, you see you get this drop down. So select the district board, which I'm sure you would know, and then you have this drop down for the school list. So select that school where your kid goes. It's a long list, you can see. Make a selection. Once you have selected the school, enter student number. Here typical question which comes to mind is whether it is the OEN number or the school ID. You have to enter the school ID. In case your kid goes by bus, you can check the bus ID. There the school ID number would be written. You enter that, last name and birth date. So last name of the child and birth date, you come and pick from here. Once this is done, you go and confirm. You will come to this page where you will be able to see the student detail, your child's detail, and you have to select I agree. Once that is done, select the relationship from this drop down, and once that is done, continue. See, student added successfully. So in case you have additional child to be added, then you can use this, and you can view items from here and view about student from here. Then you also have this my account, item, history and cart. In case you make any purchase, you will be able to see this here. Let me click here. Here you see there are 3 tabs. So on top, and the screen here shows right now Gino's Pizza on Thursday, and this is optional. You see here, this is optional, and in case you want to go and pay for this so that your child gets pizza on Thursdays, then you go and click here and go ahead with the payment. And you can also see nutrition program, which will get launched in June 2026, and again this is optional, which you can opt for. On this page, in case you are going for the pizza option as I'm showing, you'll go and choose which one do you want, and then the total amount will show up. You add to the cart, you get to see the cart, continue, and then you select the payment, enter the card detail, and then continue. Once you complete your address, review your order, and then complete your order. Thank you for your order. Your payment request has been received. You can print the receipt from here, and that's it.